What's ringing, guys? It's Carl the Ring here. Welcome back to Beaumont College South Lakes. Everybody remembers this from last time and a few other videos where we had our two people, psoriasis behind me, or Sarah as a real name, but psoriasis is a nickname as I explained in yesterday's video. And we had Esther with estimated time as a nickname, try and higgle the house tie. But welcome to week 2 of the fire alarm test for Beaumont South Lakes. So we're going to test the KAC next to the egg chair first, and I think that egg chair needs to be moved somewhere else because it's usually in the way of this. But if you're ready, alright everybody, it's about to go off now. So you're ready? Let's get it to the bit. Alright Sarah, you hold that door open so we don't have to constantly put the cold in. Now we'll do this one since it's right next to it. Then we'll go do that one over there, then we've got the ones near the reception. So if you're ready. Yep. So now we've got this one right here next to Sarah. Let's just do it. This one can be hard at times, so let's just hope it doesn't give us trouble. Yep. So he's ready now, so we don't get anyone in the shot as long as one of our students isn't standing around here. Like last time, we'll go this way so we don't disturb anyone. Now we'll hold it down so we don't get anyone in the shot. Alright, only 3 more to test, then that will be it. Hey. Alright, well, just so it saves it from later, we'll do the one near our upstairs entrance first, then we'll shut the door after we've reset it at the system. So you're ready? Let's just get it ready. Oh, whoops, one key. Just make sure we get this one working. Yeah, that one seems to be working as well. Now we've only got 2 more to do. The one next to our exit door, and then we've also got the one in the reception entrance. Alright, only 2 more to do now. That one there and the one at the reception, just so everyone knows. Okay, since it's right there, just to save it, we'll do the one near the entrance first. Before we set it off, as everyone sees, we've got a lovely day here in Ulverston today. But now we'll start it, so you're ready? Oh, it didn't go off. Ah, there we go. Didn't set off at first. Only 1 more after this, just so you know, Cookie. Alright guys, now only 1 more to do. And then that's it. Alright, last one's gonna happen now, then that's it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Right. So let's just put the grip on my camera, since this one's an upside down one. And there we go, so that's it for this week's Beaumont College fire alarm test. Well, we definitely did get some better shots off the call points than we did last time, but I hope everybody has enjoyed it today. We're not going to film it, but we've got another test after this, which is the emergency lighting test, but we'll all see you again another time. And this isn't the celebration video, but I'd like to say thank you everybody for 10,000 subscribers. I never expected to get this far on Kyle the Winger, so I'd like to give a big thank you, but we'll see you again next time. So if you enjoyed, then please subscribe for future content, and make sure you ring that notification bell if you'd like to be alarmed by future uploads. You get the joke, guys? Never mind it. But until next time, ring out.
Check it out. Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please subscribe for future content. And until next time,